Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So, my dear students, today we will learn about the world of animals. Yes, the world of animals. You can see the different type of animals in this picture. Yes, there are different kinds of animals in the world. Some animals are big and some are small. Let's see, some animals are big. Let's see the animals that are big. Animals such as lion, tiger, bear, giraffe, elephants. These animals are big animals. Some animals are small. Let's see the animals that are small. Rabbit, cat, dog. These are the small animals. Yes. Yes, pet and farm animals. What are pet animals and farm animals? Animals that we keep in our home are pet animals. What are these? What are those? Yes, dog, cat, rabbit, and mouse or mice. So, the animals that we keep in our homes are called pet animals. Animals that are kept on farms and help us in different ways are called farm animals. Goat, sheep, cow. These are the farm animals. A hen gives us egg. Yes, a hen gives us egg. Yes, a cow gives us milk. A sheep gives us wool. So these are the farm animals. Wild animals. What are the wild animals? That animals that live in forest are wild animals. What? Birds. So what are birds? Birds are animals. Birds have wings and two legs. Birds can fly with the help of wings. Yes, so birds are the animals. Birds have wings and two legs. Birds can fly with the help of their wings. See, parrot, crow. These are the birds. Birds such as ostrich and penguin cannot fly. वो उड़ नहीं सकती. They can only walk and run. So, ostrich and this is a penguin. So, they cannot fly. They only can walk or run. See, birds such as duck and swan can swim. Birds eat with their beak. They do not have teeth. उनके पास teeth नहीं होते. वो खाना किससे खाती हैं? Beak से. Duck and this is swan. See, insects. What are insects? Yes, what are insects? Insects are small animal with 6 legs. Some insects have wings to fly. Yes, insects के पास insects छोटे animals होते हैं और उनके पास 6 legs होते हैं. And some insects have wings to fly. Butterfly. You can see the picture of beautiful butterfly. And this is housefly. You can see the picture of housefly. Yes. Now fish. Fish live in water. They swim with the help of fins. Yes. Fish live in water and they swim with the help of fins. Yes, you can see the picture of fish. Animals such as monkeys and squirrel live on trees. You can see the picture of monkey, and this is a cute squirrel. See, some animals such as crocodile and frog live on land. Live on land as well as in water. As well as in water. You can see the picture of crocodile, and you can see the picture of frog also. Yes. So let's learn about the food and shelter of animals. All animals need food to live and grow. They move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. See, now we will learn the food that animals eat. Animals eat different kinds of food. Animals such as cows and horses eat plants. You can see in this picture cows eating grass and horses eating what? Plants. Yes. Now, some animals such as hens and squirrels eat seeds. These are the hens and squirrels. See, some animals such as lizards and woodpeckers eat insects and worms. You can see the picture of lizards, and these are the woodpeckers. See, some animals such as lions and tigers eat the flesh of other animals. These are the picture of lion and tiger. Now, animals such as crows and bears eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. You can see the picture of crows and bears. Okay, let's learn about the homes that animals live in. See, animals such as lion, giraffe and deer live in forest. Squirrels and owls live in hollow trees. Bats, tiger and bear live in cave. Yes. So most animals live in the open, in the forest. For example, giraffe, deers and rhinoceros move about in the forest. Some animals make their own homes. Rabbit dig a hole in the ground called burrow. Bees make a beehives. Birds make nests to lay eggs and raise their chicks. They make their nest with straw, twigs, leaves and cotton. We keep some animals with us. We make homes for such animals. Yes, the animals that live with us, and we keep those animals with us at home. Those animals are domestic animals. Yes, horses are kept in stable. You can see the picture of stable, and there are two horses. Cows are kept in shed. Fish are kept in an aquarium in our homes. we can keep aquarium in our homes also. Dogs are kept in a kennel. So, my dear students, this is all about the types of animals, birds, and insects that we have learned in this video. Where do animals live? Food that animals eat, and homes that animals live in. So, you have to learn all the things by this video. Okay, Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.